Okay, so welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you another way to get the file handle of a file. Previously, we have obtained the file handle of a file using the createFile function, correct? And we have read the contents of a file using the readFile function. So, another way to obtain the file handle of a file is using OpenFile. Okay? So, OpenFile can create, open, or reopen or delete a file, just like createFile. Okay? However, this function, OpenFile, has limited capabilities. So, we don't usually use this function, but it is another way to obtain the file handle of a file. Okay? So I'll briefly explain the parameters. So the first parameter of OpenFile is the action to be done or the use type. Okay? So this parameter can be one of many. So either OF cancel, OF create, OF delete, OF exist, OF parse, OF prompt, OF read, OF read write, and etc. Okay, so there are many of these. If you want to look at this, please visit the description box below. Okay. Next is the OF structure or the reopen buffer. So this is a pointer to the OFSTRUCT structure, which receives the information about the file when it is first opened. Okay? So to create this structure, we just declare the name of the OF structure, which I called OFS, then OFSTRUCT, which is the structure, and then less than and greater than symbols. Okay? And lastly, I just push the offset of the file name. So in this case, the file name is again the full path of the readme.txt here in our desktop. Okay? So then I call OpenFile. Then now OpenFile will return a value in EAX which contains the file handle of the file. Okay? So to store the value of the file handle in EAX, I just do move file handle EAX. Okay? And then this read file is the same as the previous video. So if you don't get this, then please watch my previous video. Okay? And lastly, I just invoke stdout on the offset of the file contents to view its contents. Okay? So let's save project, console build all. We see no errors. Let's open a terminal. And let's run test.exe and hit enter. So as you can see, it contains subscribe to JLearn page exclamation mark, which is exactly the contents of readme.txt. Okay? So this is another way to obtain a file handle of a file. So this is how you do it, and I hope to see you again next time.